Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Kerala PSC Soil Conservation Officer Exam Important MCQs. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Tech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The term meiosis was given by options A. Fleming, B. Freeman Moore, C. Johansen, D. Nolan Ruska. Correct answer B. Freeman Moore. Question number 2. The term antibiotic was coined by options A. Edward Jenner, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Selman Waxman, D. Alexander Fleming. Correct answer C. Selman Waxman. Question number 3. An antiviral substance which prevents the synthesis of a virus in the cell is options A. Insulin, B. Transferon, C. Antibody, D. Interferon. Correct answer D. Interferon. Question number 4. Who separated the protein code virus from RNA code by chemical means? Options A. Tor, B. Schreider, C. Nishimura, D. Frankel Conrad. Correct answer D. Frankel Conrad. Question number 5. Which part of the plant cannot be infected by the virus? Options A. Shoot apex, B. Phloem, C. Pith, D. Cortex. Correct answer A. Shoot apex. Question number 6. One of the following is an incorrect statement. Options A. Herpes disease is due to Myxomyces species, B. The virus with nucleic acid and protein coat is called virion, C. The virus with nucleic acid but without protein coat is called viroid, D. Tadpole shaped bacteriophages are of different forms. Correct answer A. Herpes disease is due to Myxomyces species. Question number 7. Tobacco mosaic virus TMV was first isolated as crystals by options A. W.M. Stanley, B. Ivanovsky, C. A. Mayer, D. Beijering. Correct answer A. W.M. Stanley. Question number 8. Which of the following enzyme is present in the bacteriophage? Options A. Protease, B. Urease, C. Lysozyme, D. Succinic dehydrogenase. Correct answer C. Lysozyme. Question number 9. Virus contains the following: 1. Genome, 2. Capsid, 3. Capsule, 4. Enzyme. Options A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct, B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct, C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct, D. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Correct answer C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Question number 10. The common viral disease of papaya. Options A. Leaf rot, B. Big bud, C. Leaf mosaic, D. Leaf curl. Correct answer D. Leaf curl. Question number 11. Viruses that persist in the cell and cause recurrent disease are called options A. Oncogenic viruses, B. Latent viruses, C. Cytopathic viruses, D. Resistant viruses. Correct answer B. Latent viruses. Question number 12. Which fertilizer has good environmental value? Options A. Urea, B. Neem coated urea, C. DAP, D. SSP. Correct answer C. DAP. Question number 13. For eco-friendly use of pesticides, following is most important. Options: A. Slow release formulation, B. Effectively targeting to kill, C. Easy biodegradability, D. All of these. Correct answer: D. All of these. Question number 14. The word soil is derived from options: A. French, B. Latin, C. Greek, D. Arabic. Correct answer: B. Latin. Question number 15. The process by which sediment are converted to sedimentary rocks are called options: A. Lithification, B. Cementation, C. Compaction, D. Lineament. Correct answer: A. Lithification. Question number 16. Soil aeration refers to options: A. Drying of soil due to air movement, B. Flow of air over soil surface, C. Release of gases from soil due to microbial activities, D. Exchange of oxygen and CO2 between soil pore space and atmosphere. Correct answer: D. Exchange of oxygen and CO2 between soil pore space and atmosphere. Question number 17. The conversions of an element from an organic form to an inorganic form as a result of microbial decomposition is called options: A. Immobilization, B. Mineralization, C. Nitrification, D. Denitrification. Correct answer: D. Denitrification. Question number 18. Photoperiodism is the capacity of plant to measure options: A. Period of high amount of photon, B. Period of high temperature, C. Period of equivalent to bright sunshine hours, D. Proportion of day length in 24 hours period. Correct answer: D. Proportion of day length in 24 hours period. Question number 19. The ratio of total mass of soil solids to total volume of soil solids is called options: A. Porosity, B. Plasticity, C. Particle density, D. Bulk density. Correct answer: C. Particle density. Question number 20. Which of the following is a symbiotic nitrogen fixation organism? Options: A. Rhizobium, B. Blue-green algae, C. Acetobacter, D. Actinomycetes. Correct answer: A. Rhizobium. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala PSC for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs, containing questions from the important recent topics and mock test aimed at the upcoming exam. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use Futech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. The major mechanism of reducing heat load from crop canopy is options: A. Advective heat losses, B. Evaporation, C. Transpiration, D. Heat absorption by soil. Correct answer: C. Transpiration. Question number 22. Soil temperature in hilly regions is most affected by options: A. Soil type, B. Moisture, C. Slope, D. Aspect. Correct answer: C. Slope. Question number 23. Which part of the plant shows positive gravitropism? Options: A. Flower, B. Leaves, C. Shoots, D. Roots. Correct answer: D. Roots. Question number 24. Select the option not related with in situ moisture conservation. Options: A. Mulching, B. Deep furrows, C. Interplot water harvesting, D. Fertigation. Correct answer: D. Fertigation. Question number 25. Which one of the following insecticides is the most persistent in soil? Options: A. Malathion, B. Aldrin, C. imidacloroprid, D. parathion. Correct answer B. aldrin. Question number 26. Soil exhibited with equal proportion of sand, silt and clay particles is called options A. coarse texture, B. fine texture, C. loamy soil, D. silty soil. Correct answer C. loamy soil. Question number 27. Contour furrowing at suitable intervals in soils helps in options A. stabilizing the soil, B. providing more water for crops, C. controlling soil erosion, D. all of these. Correct answer C. controlling soil erosion. Question number 28. The bulb of soil thermometer is molded at an angle of options A. 60 degree, B. 90 degree, C. 120 degree, D. 150 degree. Correct answer A. 60 degree. Question number 29. Total nitrogen in soil is measured by options A. Geldal method, B. Walkley and Black method, C. calorimetric method, D. hydrometer method. Correct answer A. Geldal method. Question number 30. Osmotic pressure can be measured by an instrument called options A. manometer, B. barometer, C. osmometer, D. nanometer. Correct answer C. osmometer. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is going to start a 90-day course for 12th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy. Use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. A great opportunity to get top rank in 10th level prelims exams. Unacademy is going to start a 30-day crash course for 10th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.